Guys, that accident that happened in Van der Bay Park is like, oh my gosh, ebuhlungu le nto, guys. 14 children, guys. And apparently the transport was not even registered and it was overload. There's a lot, guys. Ubezama ukudlula truck. Like, how do they do that with an overload with so many children in the car? Oh, guys, about the transport, no, it's becoming something else. It wasn't nice. It's not nice to watch the parents crying there. It's not a nice thing. Because they did speak to other parents. They were just like, nje, yo, asikaze sibone into injena in our lives. Yo, guys, it was just hectic and it's not nice to watch, actually.